In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing photography tricks that you can try at your home with your very own smartphone. So, let's begin the video. So, the first trick is watch product photography with some amazing, dope, whatever you said, but I know that you love it. And that is light painting. Create some random design or dots using Instagram story feature. Take a watch and place it on a reflecting surface. Lock focus by tapping, or also you can set it manually. Switch off the lights, draw some patterns behind the watch or your product, and at last put some light on the watch. I used a 3-second timer to avoid any shakes. You'll be amazed to see the results. With the second trick, I haven't decided any special name for it, but it's the Aperture. You'll only require 3 things for this shot: the apple, and of course the phone you will be shooting it with, and any other artificial light source that can be your mobile's flashlight, some other phone's flashlight. For some tiny droplets, you can spray some water on it or keep it in the fridge for some time. Lock focus by tapping and holding on your subject, or you can also do it by manually focusing. Pull down the exposure a bit and then you can try lighting up the apple from different angles and you will get some amazing results. The first and the last trick from this video are my favorites. I would love to know your favorites from this video. Comment them down. Also, if you will be making any content from getting inspired from this video or using any of my ideas, then do tag me on Instagram. I'll give my Instagram username somewhere on the screen and also in the description below. If you love my work, you can also follow me on Instagram. So, the third trick is really very interesting and I am sure you'd love it. That is Slinky. For this shot, take a Slinky and stop playing with it. Place it over your phone's front camera. Light the shot with your some other phone's flashlight. So the fourth trick is water product photography. Check it out. Product. 2 lightweight sticks. Join the 2 things using a tape. Fill water in a small tub or a container. If possible, try to get the tub or container of a blue color. Place your product in water and lock focus and adjust exposure as per your lighting conditions. Start moving the water to create a wavy effect. Click multiple shots until you get your best shot. Remove the sticks using any editing app like Snapseed, PixArt and Lightroom. So here is 5th, final and my personal favorite from all these 5 tricks. I drew a keyhole. All that you need for this shot is a helping hand, a flashlight and a keyhole. Ask your friend to look through the door keyhole. Add some artificial light, that is your mobile's flashlight, to get some sharp, crisp details. Best images that are created using these 5 tricks will get a shout out on my Instagram account. Make sure you tag me on your Instagram post.